name is Alyssa Sliney. I'm based out of Brewster, Massachusetts. I'm the MDM practice lead at Syniti, so let me show you what a day in my life is like. So let me give you a quick rundown of my day. So every day starts at 6. I've got 2 6-month-old puppies. I've got to get them out for a walk, get them fed. I usually grab some coffee, and I check my email, my team's messages first, just to see if there's anything urgent that's come in. I start pretty early. I like to start the day with focus tasks because that's when I have the most energy. Then I usually move into calls. Today's a particularly call-heavy day. So I've got, first thing I've got is an RFP response. That's with a long-standing customer, but it's a new problem that we're trying to solve with them, so we're excited about that. Then I've got a data quality huddle. It's basically a status update on how we're progressing with the data quality cloud tool and the methodology that we're developing alongside that, just to give an update to all the stakeholders. Then I've got to check in with one of my development teams. So I'm not fully billable on a project anymore, but I do still have a couple of accounts that I own. So I just check in with the build team and make sure they're progressing and see what kind of blockers I can help resolve. Following that, I've got a customer education meeting. So this is a customer that's been using our software for a long time, but not necessarily our services. We're going to educate them on what the new capabilities of the cloud platform are, and then I'm there in particular to educate them on MDM, which is not a use case they've taken on so far, and really highlight, where the software and the services complement each other and the kinds of problems that we can solve. I've got a couple of one-on-ones today, so I've got a one-on-one with a direct report, and then I've got a skip meeting, so my boss's boss. It's important for me to align on both directions, right? So to make sure I have my finger on the pulse in the field of the challenges that we're facing, what we're hearing from our customers, and then also making sure that I stay aligned with what executive priorities are, make sure we're spending our time in a way that aligns with what we're trying to achieve as a company. And then finally, I've got a check-in with my content development team. So everyone that is on the bench at Syniti that has MDM skills is working towards improving our what we call accelerator content. And that's really a key part of our services strategy in the MDM space, is continuing to enhance and improve what we start with on day one. So that's expanding our object list, expanding functionality, building automation to improve our implementation times. And what that really allows us to do on a project site is, one, start very quickly so we can have really productive design conversations with a tool that actually works in front of the customer. And it also lets us focus on the things that are going to be most meaningful to our customer, the features that are going to differentiate their implementation and their use case, solve their problems, right? Rather than focusing on posting and field level validation, we walk in the door with those problems solved and can really focus on the customer specific needs. So that's what my day looks like. Like I said, very meeting heavy today. Oftentimes I'll try to fit some methodology in. I will do more one-on-one check-ins with my different projects. But yeah, that's what my day looks like today. Is it time for dinner? Yeah! You gotta sit. Good job.